Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Nanatan. Today we are talking about civilities and WH questions. Let us learn. Welcome. Welcome. Burger. Burger. Nagan. Nagan. Ufte. Burger. Nagan. Ufte. This is for singular. Burger. Nagan. Burger. Nagan. Uftani. Burger. Nagan. Uftani. This is for plural and for either person. Come in. Come in. Seni. Seni. Seni for singular. For plural and for either person, we can say Sena. Sena. Please sit down. Please sit down. Malo tai. Malo tai for singular. Malo ta'a for plural and for either person. You are very kind. You are very kind. Ati nama gaariidha. Ati nama gaariidha. Thank you for your hospitality. Thank you for your hospitality. Simanna كيف galatomi. Simanna كيف galatomi for singular person. Simanna kesanif galatoma. Simanna kesanif galatoma. This is for plural person and for either person. This is how to civilities. Let me repeat once more. Welcome. Baga nagan ufte. Baga nagan ufte. Baga nagan uftani. For singular, baga nagan ufte. Baga nagan uftani. For plural and for elderly person. Come in. Sena. For singular and this is for plural and for elderly person. Please sit down. Malo tai for singular. Malo ta'a for plural and for elderly person. You are very kind. Ati nama gaariidha. Thank you for your hospitality. Simanna kef galatomi for singular. Simanna ke sanif Now I will be teaching you WH questions. When, yom, where, essa, why, malifi, who, enyu, which, is a come, whom, enuf, what, mal, how, akamiti. Let me repeat once more. When, yom, where, essa, why, malif, who, enyu, which, is a come, whom, enyu, what, mali, mali, how, akamiti, That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.